Hello, friends. I'm Maggie, a graphic designer and miniature artist. Today I received an author copy of my new book, Make Your Own Miniature Library, and I'm so excited to see how it looks. Currently, the cover is a work in progress. I've ordered this book so I can make all the books inside by hand and test if everything fits perfectly, and also to take a photo for the final cover. So, this book includes 80 projects in total, 9 encyclopedias, 12 classic books, 10 illustrated fairy tales, 5 fairy encyclopedias, and 4 cookbooks in 1/6 and 1/12 scale. That is 40 books per scale, 80 in total. Here are some photos of the finished projects. This gray ribbon says not for resale because this is a proof copy, not the final book. Okay, let's see what is inside and how Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing did its job. On the first page, there are a few words from the author and a list of the materials that you will need. They are very basic, just glue, scissors, and a paintbrush. On the second page of the book, there is a guide on how to assemble the books with photos and text instructions. I've updated the final version of the book to include even more photos and a link to a video tutorial. After the tutorial pages, there are 100 pages of books. Note that each page with a template must be cut out of the book using a ruler and a craft knife. I will show you how in a minute. Before that, just a note. The print quality is the best, the colors are vibrant, the text is readable, and I'm very happy with the result. So we have a cat encyclopedia, and next are the other encyclopedias: dogs, dinosaurs, birds.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you.
Cacti, and roses. Then the art books start. Paintings by Van Gogh, Monet, and Renoir. Next we have 5 fairy world books. Fairies,
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night, and let's talk about love, and feeling alright, and let's talk about love.
winter fairies,
Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love.
fairy fashion, fairy food,
Take you out tonight, kiss you in the moon.
and fairy homes.
No place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking.
Next we have 10 beloved fairy tales. The Little Mermaid,
You make me crazy in that good way.
Cinderella, The Frog Prince, Hansel and Gretel, Rapunzel, Little Red Riding Hood, Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, Thumbelina, and Beauty and the Beast. Next, there are 4 cookbooks. Cakes. Wow, I just admire the quality of the print. I can't get such professional results on my home printer. The colors are so bright and it's just amazing. We have recipes with chocolate, salads, and soups. After that, we have 12 classic books. The Count of Monte Cristo. The text is fully readable. The Wizard of Oz, Wuthering Heights, Around the World in 80 Days, Sense and Sensibility, The Secret Garden, Pride and Prejudice, Little Women. These are all my favorite classics. Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne, Romeo and Juliet, The Snow Queen, and A Christmas Carol. And here is where the 1/12 scale books start. They include the same collection as the 1/6 scale, so I will not go through them one by one. I will just show you how they look. Okay, so I have a lot of work to do. I must make all 80 books to create the perfect photo for the cover. First, I will start by removing all the pages from the book. I am very careful and I use a ruler and a craft knife to cut all the pages. I don't tear them off because I could accidentally damage the templates. I'm curious which of these miniature books is your favorite, or if you could add any classic book to this library, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments.
When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay. 1, 2.
And after a couple of days, I finished all the books. You can watch a full video tutorial on how to assemble a single book via the link I will put in the top right corner of the video and in the description down below. Something important: in order to make the books stay flat, you need to leave them under a heavy stack of books overnight. These are the 1/12 scale and these are the 1/6 scale. This is the fairy tale collection. These are the encyclopedias and the art books.
Dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we.
These are the timeless classics.
I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles.
These are the cookbooks.
That's how we play.
These are the fairy books.
We can never go back this road. We can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We can never go back.
To shoot the cover photo, I need to make a library out of foam board.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could
Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
no